What up, everybody? It's your boy Jay Boogie. We here with another Power Plays Palace, and we just gonna go right into it. We gonna go right into it. Uh, As you can see from yesterday, SPY started the day down, dropped in this area here. We sitting here around 667, and then it moved up pretty much all day, topping off at 672.72 before ending the day around 671.50, 58 in that 671.50 range. So let's look at the chart from yesterday. So on yesterday, we say we was looking for an entry around 669.25 with our targets at 670, 671, 672. So as you can clearly see, we were able to meet those points of entry, and we was able to get there. So SPY did what it supposed to do. If you played the chart yesterday, then you hit every level. You should have been straight. If you was on the call side, but not on the put side because the puts weren't going yesterday. But on the call side, you should have been cool. You touched every level, and you should have had a pretty decent day. So let's look at what we got going on for today. What do we have for today? That was a good day yesterday, and you can see that. And we're gonna break down these key levels, the setup on watching, and how to approach today's price action with discipline and confidence. So yesterday's SPY ran up to 672.72, and then it started the day around 667.80. Now the pre-market range between 672.62 and 674.34 shows some quiet consolidation right up under resistance. So this tells me that traders are waiting for a confirmation before making a move. So the battle zone today is going to be 672.50 to 674. And if we break either side cleanly, then that's which way we probably gonna be moving for today. But again, we mess around with the SPY, so it can move any way it wants to. And so for today, as you can see, pre-market, we got a couple trend lines here that we looking at, so you can see what we got right there. So let's look at what we're gonna be looking out for today. All right. So if SPY breaks above 674.34 with a strong 5-minute candle, you be looking for entries around 674.40 and 674.70 with a stop below 673.90, and we'll target 675.50, 676.80, and 678, and that'll be for your momentum breakout. And you look for expanding volume with a clean follow through. Now for your bears, um, if they get a rejection around the 674, 650 range, and it tests that and can't hold, I'll be looking for shorts around that area with my stop loss. I put it above 674.80 with my target 673, 672.50, and 671.50. And you'll want to see volume drying up, lower high pattern confirming seller stepping back in. Now, my opening watch zone is going to be 672.50 to 674.50, and that's the area. So once I see confirmation and break out one side or the other, I'll be trying to jump in according to my charts, and I'm gonna keep my stop losses tight. And of course, we scaling in and out around 25-30%. And the key today is patience. This range is narrow, so don't jump early. Wait for the break, then follow up. And that's your SPY trade plan for Friday, October 24th. Above 674.34, I'm looking for a continuation towards 676 to 678. And below 672.62, momentum, it turned bearish, and we can pull back towards 670, even 668. So we're going to stay disciplined and trade our plan and keep this week, strong. If this helped, hit the like button, drop your levels in the comment, and I'll see you on Monday for another Power Plays. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my ideas of where I'm looking at the chart for today for somebody over in the group that plays Power Plays. You feel me? So I'll see you later.